Yo, what is up guys? It's ld.equine here, back with another video. Hi guys, we're back in Star Stable today, and we need to do some quests. So we need to do the Moorland Riding Track and Tools of the Trade. But I think we're going to do Tan's quest first, which is the riding tracker around Moorland. Steady. Okay. And I haven't done any quests since the last video. Okay, ride the track. Okay. This is actually quite easy game. We still have our 3 days of Star Rider because I have not verified my email, so fine. And also guys, I found out, I was playing about with this for a bit, and I found out you can take photos. How fun. By pressing O, it was an update apparently, because I searched up on it, and it was an update like a few weeks ago, so it's pretty new. So I'm going to show you kind of like what, like some photos I've taken and stuff maybe. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the barn vlog. If you haven't already checked that out, it is in my channel. So just click on my channel, and while you're there, don't forget to leave a little subscribe. Click that wee bell, just so you know when every time I upload, guys, so you don't miss one video. Okay, so that was pretty easy. List of friends. Oh, I don't have any friends. But guys, if you want to come and play along with me on Star Stable, my name is Lily Maplebird. I'm not sure what server I'm on. I will find that out for you guys. Oh, okay. Oh, we need to try and get on the scoreboard. Okay. Come on, Miss Song. I'm getting used to the game now. It's actually quite fun. And I've seen the castle that's like up there. I'm pretty sure that's Silverglade. There. See the castle. I'm pretty sure that is in Silverglade. I'm not 100% sure. I just think that it is. I don't know why. But I'm gonna try and get on the leaderboard by going like right through the red flags if I can. No, don't stop, Miss Song. Come on. I remember doing this race when I used to play this game, and it was actually quite fun. But I stopped because I started playing Sims, and I'm like, ugh. See, so if you press O, this is my horse, I can't stop it. That's so funny. Um, you can put the depth of field in, so I'm going to do that, and then the brightness, the contrast, the saturation. Saturation is just like that, so I like that. The whatever this is, like make it black, but I don't like that. The Star Stable logo and all the corners, filter. I like this the time of day. I think this is pretty cool. So I think it's like here right now. There we go. Well done. Good job. So I got the reputation for that. So now I need to talk to Loretta. Hi Lily. Justin is looking for you. You'll find him in the yard. You know, the place where you went when you when. But you know the place you were when you first arrived. Okay, I can't read today. Just don't become too friendly with Justin. He's mine. Okay, Loretta. Oh, we get an item. Ooh, that's disgustingly ugly. Guys, by the way, I hope soon we can unlock Fort Penta, because that would be cool. Like, you know. Okay. Come on, let's go to Justin Morland. Okay, we're at Justin. Hello. Layla and Baker. Lily, there you are. I was looking for you. Well, thank you. Thank you. I do have headphones on. Well, not headphones, like earphones. Anyway. So we need to take care of our horse, which is pretty cool. So we now need to care for our horse. So we need to brush Miss Song, groom, well, brush is a kind of grooming thing. Feed, pick out feed and water. So we'll do the water first. Justin, do you mind? Okay, let's give Miss Song some hay. Little feet pick out. I'm picking out my hand, so cool. And a little groom. So now we need to go talk to Thomas Merlin, Justin's dad, I'm thinking. Yeah, because he did say in like the other episode that we done that him and his dad, and they're both Merlins, so I'm guessing so. Thank you for coming as fast as you can. Right, turn off GPS equipment, workers setting up. Okay. So we gotta go turn off some GPS equipment. Steady. Here's one. Oh, no, we passed the second one. Come on, Miss Song. You can do it, buddy. Second one. Oh, we missed the last one. Great. We keep missing them, Miss Song. You need to stop when I'm asking you to stop, mate. Okay, there we go. Now ride back to Thomas, I think. Thomas, I done it. Splendid. Okay. Okay, so we now need to turn off the big. So I do believe that the power is just up here. Yep, here it is. Okay, turning that off. Right, now let's go back to Thomas Moreland and see what other quests he has for us to do. Thomas, I'm done. Okay, so now what else does he have to do for us? Find Mrs. Holdsworth. Okay, let's go find Mrs. Holdsworth. Found Mrs. Holdsworth. Okay, a deed to Merlin completed. Wait, talk to old man Jasper by the stone wall. I haven't been by the stone wall yet. Wait, is this to unlock Fort Pinta? I don't know. Because I mean there's lots of stone walls around this place. Let's see if I can find him. Found him, guys. Oh, level up! Yay, I'm level 3! And Miss Song is level 2, as you guys can see. Okay. Find a way to weaken Jasper's resolve. Maybe Justin can help you. Okay, so we now need to ride all the way back to Justin in Moorland and see if he can help us any. Okay, so we're at Justin, blah 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 blah. Okay, show Jasper these love letters. I'm really confused, but let's go back to Jasper. Okay, so guys, I've just unlocked Fort Pinta and the Sea Wanderer text just came up, so I'm pretty sure that is for, yeah, Jojo Siwa's here. So we need to go to Fort Pinta, but we need to do Jasper's quest as well. Okay, to Fort Pinta. So we go through this way, I'm guessing, yeah, Fort Pinta that way. And Sibyl's that way. So I'll see you guys at Fort Pinta. Okay, Fort Pinta. We are now in well, going across the bridge, hopefully not going to fall off. Going through to Fort Pinta. So we need to go get the thing, and that we need our thingy-majingy. Oh, okay. Oh, that's cool how it shows you where it is. Then we will do the Sea Wanderer quest, and I have heard that there is now some Jojo Siwa quests, so we might do them in a different video. Oh, okay, Miss Song, I get it. Okay. I will go give this back to Jasper, guys, and then we'll go see about Jojo Siwa. Here's your deeds, Jasper. Okay, so we have arrived back at Fort Pinta. finally. And we will do the Sea quests and hopefully be able to meet Jojo Siwa. Because I have heard, like, when I signed up that... Okay, she will be coming in 10 minutes. Okay. Calling all Sea Runners, blah blah blah. Bobo's lost collar. Hi, can you... Yeah, sure. Oh yeah, the ice cream pet. Yes, I've watched a Star Stable update video on that. So let's go see if we can find Bobo's. Okay guys, so I found her collar. So yeah, this must be Bobo's collar. So we'll take it back to the Sea Wanner and see what she has to say. Okay, done. Whew! Bobo's lost collar. There it is. Thank you very much, Lily. By the way, have you seen Bobo's friends in the pet shop? They're so cute. Oh yeah, guys, there's new Yorkshire Bull Terriers or something, and they're so cute. And this is the shop. I might buy stuff, don't know. But guys, I've heard that if you go talk to Tori for Spirit, you can get a dress and just sell it for 500 and buy all the JoJo Siwa stuff. So that's what I'm gonna do. Whoa, guys, I have 670 coins. How amazing! So I'm probably gonna buy everything, guys, and then I'll get back to you guys, show you my outfit, and then we might be able to reach JoJo Siwa. So guys, this is my new outfit. I'm just gonna let you guys have a look. So we got all the bows, the ice cream pet, the ice cream top, and stuff like that. Let's go check out the new pet and the new hairstyle. So guys, here are the New Yorkshire Terriers. I think they are. There's this cute white one. There is... I thought it was one. No, it's just a bone. Brown one. And another kind of a light brown one. Pretty cute. I'm definitely going to get a pet once I get star coins. Well, that is if I get star coins. Kitties. And of course we have to have bunnies. Of course. And let's check how much they are, because I want to know. How much are they? $3.99. $3.99. $3.99. 40. 35. 40. 25. I would like to get this ducky. Brown Labrador. But yeah, guys, so let's go wait on Jojo Siwa and let's see if we can meet her. Okay, so this is Jojo Siwa and her dog, which is pretty cool. So let's go over and see her. Oh, Bobo's so cute. That is adorable. Hello, Jojo. Let's get a photo with Jojo. Let's be Jojo. No. By the way, guys, did you know if you press control, like, you can, like, sneak? Which is pretty cool. But I'm gonna get some photos with Jojo Siwa and then let's dance. Well, guess who came to party, guys? Look at her. Look at me dance, though. Like, dang, girl, you can dance. Oh, I'm doing the little shimmy shimmy. And these girls are helping me as well. Pretty cool. And I like her dance moves, too. Like, out of breath. Whoa, look at her. Rose Lava Tiger. Well done. I'd like to be able to do that. She is so cool. Cool, Jojo. Crazy moves, girl. You can move, girl. Look at me move, guys. So cool. Anyway, guys, that's all we have time for today. Another Star Stable video will be up soon. If you enjoyed this video, remember to smash the like button. If you like Jojo Siwa, guys, you must smash the like button. I mean, you don't have to, but it would be really nice. And also, don't forget to click that subscribe button and the little bell so you know when every time I post, guys. Okay, guys, I'll see you next time. Bye!